right, you all. So this is going to be the last tutorial I do today. This one is called So Good, and it's by Lexi Pantera. Now this one I made up a few years ago, not even a few years ago, probably about 6 years ago, and then I brought it back recently. So some of y'all have been doing this one. I've remixed it a little bit, but here's the new choreography, okay? So how you're going to start off with this is it's going to be verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus. Now, verse 1 and 2 are the exact same. Then we're going to do verse 3 and 4. They're the exact same moves. Verse 3, you do it 4 times. Verse 4, you do it 2 times. So let me go over that again. Verse 1 and 2, the exact same. Verse 3 and 4, the exact same moves. Verse 3, you do it 4 times. Verse 4, you do it 2 times. Chorus stays the same, okay? So we're going to learn verse 1 and 2 moves. I'm going to teach you the chorus because the chorus is the exact same. Then I'm going to teach you verse 3, and then know for verse 4, you only do it a total of 2 times, and then you're good. And you're going to be able to do it with the video, and I hope you love this one because I absolutely love this one. All right, let's do it. So, starting with the verse 1, that's how it starts out. It's going to hit 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so when you're doing that, you're bringing your arms down, twisting at your waist. So you should see that side booty in the mirror. If you're looking at a mirror, you're looking at something, you should see it in the mirror because you're twisting at your waist. Okay, so hit 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving on. Kick out 5, 6. You're just going to go 7, 8. However you want to do that, okay? Just, if you want to do 7, 8, you can always do a squat right there. However you feel comfortable, whatever you want to do, you do for that part. After that, you're going to do the same exact thing to the right side. So you're going to hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. Hey, hey, kick out, pop, pop. Okay? Remember, there's 4 of these. If you want to squat, squat. You do whatever you want. It's your workout. Make it your own. Okay? So, moving on. That's verse 1 and 2. It's choreography. It's the exact same. Now, the chorus is a little, you got to learn it, but once you learn it, I think you're really going to like it. Okay, so let's get these moves down. You're going to hit with left arm. It's going to go straight up like this. So it's basically parallel right here to your shoulders, okay? So you're going to be up. Your hand is tight, okay? So you're going to punch 1 and 2, okay? So 1 and is above the arm. So you're going to hit 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Yes, moving on. You're going to circle around 3. Keeping your arm here. 3 from here. 3 and 4. So push that hip out. Left arm goes out. You're going to look at your left arm. Then we are going to push it to the right hip. Right arm out. Okay? Let's do that from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So we're turning it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle, hit, left, turn, and turn. Okay? Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 hip rolls, you're going to turn. Then we're going to do it to your left or whatever way you're facing. I don't know if you're going right or left. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. Hey, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, we're going to do it all the way around. Remember, you turn it in a circle, but that's the whole chorus, okay? Let's do it. We're going to go all the way around again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Whew, a lot of hip movement, a lot of core work. Hopefully you will enjoy it. Remember, if you need more practice, just go back over it, okay? Remember, from the front. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 6, you're turning, and then roll, roll, okay? So remember, we already went over verse 1. Verse 2 is the same. Verse 3 and 4, choreography is the same. Verse 3, you do it 4 times. Verse 4, you do it 2 times. So, get a workout. So you're going to punch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 4. Circle, circle. Okay, sorry, I had to go over the beat in my head. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to punch, 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 punch. Circle, drop, circle, drop. Okay? Now that's a little bit faster, but I want you to get the gist of it. Remember, every time you do it, you are crunching your stomach, squeezing your back, your arms are tight. The lower you get in your legs, the harder it's going to be. Okay? So let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey. Okay? Verse 3, you're going to do that 4 times. So that was 1 time. Okay? Verse 4, you're only going to do it 2 times. Okay? In between that, you just repeat the chorus. You got this. Okay? Remember, start with verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus, verse 3, chorus, verse 4, end with the chorus. You got it. Let's do it with the music.